everyone! Today we will have a look at desert animals. Are you ready? Let's go! Deserts are places that don't get much rain and are very dry. They can be either hot places or cold places. Deserts don't have much water. Animals that live in the deserts are able to conserve water and keep their body temperature at the right level. Both plants and animals have adapted to be able to live in the desert. Some animals living in the deserts are Addax, Armadillo girdled lizard. Subscribe. Armadillo girdled lizard. Bactrian camel. Bat. Black widow spider. Bighorn sheep. Bobcat. Dromedary camel. Fennec fox. Gecko. Gerbil. Gila monster. Iguana. Jackrabbit. Kangaroo rat. Llama. Maycats. Quail. Rattlesnake. Roadrunner. Scorpion. Tarantula. Vulture. Wolf spider. Did you know? Desert animals have evolved ways to help them keep cool and use less water. Hey! If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.